Good morning everyone. Now here we are going to start question number 2 of exercise 11.2. See, in question number 1 what we have done, we have made a triangle when the addition of two sides were given. Now here again we have to construct the triangle ABC, but in this triangle the subtraction of two sides is given. Now just make sure for one thing, like the base you have to draw for BC. BC is the base. Now if the subtraction is given in the same order, like here it is given B first and C afterwards, जैसा यहाँ BC है वैसे ही यहाँ सब्ट्रैक्शन में है कि पहले AB आया and then AC. Same sequence is followed here. So in such a way, in such condition, the angle which we are drawing, this angle will be above the line segment. In this way the angle will be there and the difference will be marked upside. But suppose the base we have created BC and the subtraction is AC minus AB, means the sequence is reversed. पहले C आया बाद में B आया. अगर ये सीक्वेंस रिवर्स हो जाएगी, सो इन सच कंडीशन आफ्टर ड्राइंग द बेस एंड द एंगल you have to extend the line to the downwards direction. This is the difference in between AB minus AC and AC minus AB. ये एक डिफरेंस होगा. अगर सीक्वेंस सेम है तो in the same way as we have done question number 1, in the same way we have to do this question also. But if the sequence is reversed, so in this condition we have to extend the line segment to the downwards direction. Now see how to draw it. First of all, it is given draw BC is equals to 8 centimeter. So let us draw BC a line segment of 8 centimeter. BC 8 centimeter. Now angle B is 45 degree. How to draw 45 degree? First of all, draw the angle of 90 degree and then the bisector of 90. Point B से एक semicircle with this intersecting point, one arc, another arc. 60, 120, bisector of 60 and 120, it becomes 90, and finally we need 45 degree. So 45 is the bisector of 90 डिग्री. 90 का बाइसेक्टर मीन्स इन दोनों पॉइंट्स का हमें बनाना रहेगा बाइसेक्टर. Here we will get the angle (45 degree). Now what to do? AB minus AC is 3.5. So on the same angle we will measure AB minus AC, which is 3.5 centimeter. Measure the length 3.5. Keep your compass at point B and cut an arc. Name this point as D, a separate name than ABC. So name this point as D and join it. Next what we are doing, we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this CD. CD वाली जो लाइन है इसका बनाएंगे perpendicular bisector. So perpendicular bisector बनाओ. Draw the arcs to both sides with the same measurement. Again draw the arcs to both sides and draw a straight line joining it. So here this straight line intersects the angle at some point. Name this point as A. हमेशा ध्यान रखना जो परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर वाली लाइन होगी वो एंगल वाली लाइन को किसी एक पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट करेगी. नेम दिस पॉइंट एज A and then join it. So this ABC will be our required triangle, जिसमें ये दिया रहेगा कि BC 8 सेंटीमीटर है, एंगल B is 45 degree and AB minus AC. When you will measure AB and then subtract AC from it, you will get it as equals to 3.5 centimeter. Now in the same way, we are having one more next question in which we have to draw triangle PQR, in which QR is 6 centimeter, angle Q it is 60 degree and PR minus PQ. Now you see here, line we have drawn QR, but what is the subtraction? PR minus PQ. It means the order is reversed. If the order is reversed, then this angle we have to extend to the downward direction. Now see how to do it. First of all, draw an line of segment of 6 centimeter. Name this line segment QR. This is of 6 centimeter. After drawing the line segment, angle Q equals to 60 degree. So angle Q means put the rounder on point Q, make an arc, keep the rounder here and cut it. So this will be angle of 60 degree. Now the same angle we have to extend to the downward direction. Extend it to the downward direction. Okay. Suppose this is X. Here name it as Y. Now the subtraction, it is equals to 2 centimeter. So measure the length 2 centimeter. Keep the rounder here and cut an arc to the downward direction only. Remember this thing. Here we have to make the arc to the downward direction. Name this point as M and join MR. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of this MR. And draw a straight line. So this perpendicular bisector intersects our previous angle at some point. Name this point as P and then join PR. So here finally this PQR will be the required triangle in which PR minus QR will be equals to 2 centimeter. This is how we have to draw the angles, the triangles when the sum of the sides are given and the triangle when the difference of the side is given. Have a nice time.